Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on Fitbit. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about Fitbit and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we will click on clear cache. After that, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.